Hey guys, I'm so excited to share with you. We finally went on the Disney Skyliner after many months of seeing all these awesome, colorful gondolas riding up and down near Disney. We finally got to ride them, and this was part of a cast preview, so we hope to share this with you so you can enjoy the beautiful views at night. And we even saw some fireworks. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Hey guys, so just a side note, this cast preview is quite limited, so we are only stopping at stations 1, 2, and 5. One station is Hollywood Studios, station 2 is Caribbean Beach, and station number 5 is Epcot. And in case you're wondering, the Riviera Resort, Art of Animation, and Pop Century gondola stations are currently not open yet. I will put the title for each station at the bottom right corner so you know exactly which station we're stopping at. While this is a cast preview, it is actually open to regular park guests on September 29th, and we enjoyed this evening so much that even the cast members were enjoying themselves. While the gondola system is on a continuously moving line, they can actually remove one gondola offline for just a moment to have someone, say in a wheelchair, board the gondola without it continuously moving, just like this Pirates one shown. Once they're boarded, they can go back in the line and continue on their ride.
Have a nice evening.
So just a side note, this gondola actually goes about 1 mile an hour in the station while you're boarding, and about 11 miles an hour as it's riding above all the beautiful sights.
In just a few moments, we will be traveling.
So is it just me, or does this look like a parade of gondolas? Because I really enjoyed this part, looking at the different characters and trying to find my favorites. So if you want a crystal clear view either day or night, including to see the fireworks, I recommend you get a gondola that does not have a character wrapping around it because it provides a nice clear view. Alrighty, carry on. Alright guys, we've arrived at our first stop at the Disney Skyliner station at Caribbean Beach. Consider this kind of like the Grand Central Station of the Skyliner. Here you will connect to Epcot, you can also connect to Hollywood Studios once again, and you can even connect to the Riviera Hotel. Something else I wanted to point out is that the Art of Animation line and the Riviera line were not operational at this time. They will be at a later date, and as you can see, there's plenty of signage, so you don't have to worry about getting lost, and there's plenty of cast members that are more than happy to help you. So guys, just a little side note, for the first couple of clips you will hear some music because there's a lot of wind blowing in the background. So just sit back, relax, and there's going to be plenty of other clips that will not have any music at all for your enjoyment. Our next stop is Epcot Center. You like that voice? No? Should I delete it? Never mind, I'm still going to put it in the video. So this is yet another reason to get a gondola without the character wrapping. As you can see, we had to film through the window ventilation system because the wrapping did not allow us to film at all. So this was the best clip that we can get in this particular gondola. Alright guys, so this is one of those stations that is currently not open, but we are just kind of passing through en route to Epcot. Alright guys, we're now turning. We're turning into the Epcot station. And we're actually making a turn. And it actually slowed down to make the turn. So now we're back en route. And we're heading straight toward Epcot in a minute. Hey guys, so one of my YouTube friends, Juan Delgado, who has a YouTube channel, which I will link down in my description, actually has the daytime version of that turn that we just did. If you want to check out his channel, check out his Skyliner video. You're sure to see it in the daytime.
Welcome.
So if you notice, each station is actually themed to its stop. So in this instance, it is kind of like a French chateau look that we have here for this France or Epcot station. France is actually right next door to this gondola stop. So, oh, wait a minute. Is that, I think I see ghosts.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Epcot and World Showcase. Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today?
Hey guys, look what I'm including for no extra charge on this ride. It is a sneak peek at the construction of the Ratatouille ride that is opening in spring of 2020. And check out our video on the Ratatouille ride over at Disneyland Paris in the cards up top right about now and in the description down below.
This charming lakeside resort offers magical lounges, enchanting restaurants, and live entertainment on the boardwalk every evening.
Alright, I know there's a couple of you wondering out there whether or not this gondola is smooth, and yes it is. Now the parts where you see my video kind of shaking, it's just because there's times that I'm trying to get the camera to focus, and it's not that the gondola is shaking all over the place. The only points that the gondola does have a little slight bump in the cable is when it's going right over the pole that we just passed on the right. That part actually holds the cable, so once the car goes over that, everything else is smooth. But this is an exceptionally smooth ride, and it is very, very quiet, so I will let you enjoy the ride.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que la...
Hey guys, fireworks in 3, 2, 1.
We are now approaching the Skyliner turn station. While this special station was designed just for turning, other Skyliner stations were designed to complement their unique environments. From the glamour of Disney's Hollywood studios to the laid-back islands of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We hope you are enjoying your journey on the most magical flight on Earth. We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios,
Ooh.
Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Say bon voyage to the Mediterranean. We are about to go island hopping at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, where every day feels like a Junkanoo celebration. In just a few moments, we will be landing at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Welcome to the islands of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at this station. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the most magical flight. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children. Collect your belongings.
Hey guys, so this is back en route to Hollywood Studios. Wait. No. For us Floridians, it is still MGM Studios. I know, legalities and everything regarding the name. But for us that we grew up around Disney, this is still MGM. Okay, enough of that. Hollywood Studios. I give up. This is en route back to Hollywood Studios where we originated our fantastic voyage from. So this is views of the park getting cleared out and lots of crowds and more crowds, and we're heading back to the station. Hey guys, and check out this exclusive sneak peek at the Disney Skyliner merchandise. So as you can see, they have like luggage tags, socks, pins, mugs, t-shirts, hats, and even toys. And they even have this really adorable Funko Pop toy that I absolutely love. They even have magic bands for the Skyliner and more t-shirts. So thank you guys for joining us. I really hope you enjoyed the ride with us and hope that you can ride the Skyliner. Or if not, then I hope you enjoyed the video and thought of it as an experience. So see you guys and take care. Bye. Alright guys, so one more thing. If you like our videos or any of our content, or just want to see more and think we're kind of cool, just hit that little subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything. And of course, click the little bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any of our adventures, tips, or tricks. See you guys. Have a safe and happy vacation. We are now flying over the Caribbean Beach Resort. At this resort, there is someone currently dreaming of Mickey waffles. There is someone else craving a Dole Whip, and there's someone else that wishes they would not have spent as much money as they actually did. Hold on to your wallets, guys. Alright, see you guys!